Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super simple mask transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm going to scale it a little bit like that. Copy and paste it, and on the second one go to remove background and select auto removal. And I'm just going to add in like another background underneath. For instance, let's say this one. Place it underneath the video. Then you're going to start masking here. So you're going to select this video, go to mask, and select the horizontal one. And you're going to rotate it this way. I'm just going to further it out just a little bit. I'm going to place it behind him first. Go to basic and add a keyframe. And as he walks, you're going to drag that line. I could just find the line. Oh, actually, add the keyframe. Hold on. Here, add it here on the mask section. And as he walks, you're just going to drag that line along with him, like so. And you're just going to do that till the end. Like that. Oops. And that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.